that one that set in your window? Yeah.
$600 phone.
Callie, don't do that, honey.
Go ahead, beat the hell out of it.
How's that TV working out? You like it being up like that, don't you?
There?
Yeah. I've never seen it. You didn't? Have you had it since you've been in here?
Going? One of my rooms?
Yeah.
Let me just check it over here.
That's the one that's up on the wall?
Too close.
This one.
Yeah.
Too close.
Oh, that's right.
I just don't remember being right.
Not in here.
Oh, don't, yeah, I don't want her near the,
Call her.
even though.
Call her out.
Wait. It's just.
Come on.
Get her away from the cat box.
Come here.
That little bigger one.
Go bye-bye. Go bye-bye.
Come on.
Come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Good feet.
She thinks it's something, it's the sun.
The what? Oh, funny, look at that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, Mel.
Mel, did you see that?
Callie.
Little thing of sunlight on it?
Hi, honey.
Yeah.
Hello.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, it's a baba. One or the other.
Hi.
I mean, that cell phone got something going there.
Hi, little one.
It'd be
Hi.
funny if it rained.
What you cut there?
She wouldn't know what to do.
Vinny, ring my phone. No.
What?
She said no.
Woo!
Who's having coffee?
I was afraid you were going to fall on your head. I'll take it.
Vinny, where's your phone? Call.
I don't.
Would you like her to?
Boo boo.
Get the phone.
Callie.
Answer the phone.
Telephone.
It's for you.
Not the baba.
Say hello.
It's Daddy on the phone for you. Say hi, Dada.
Dada. Say dada. Say dada. Hey.
You're in there.
You're on speaker, Vin.
Well, no, don't open it so she. I want to call it again.
Yeah.
Just leave it alone.
No, that's cute.
That's cute.
Oh, you got your...
I just put a new one in there.
Say hello. Say oh. Hello. I didn't want you to pick it up.
Melissa, would you like
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I got it on video too. No.
No, don't bring the phone. Thank you.
What do you say? Oh. Callie. Bye-bye.
Got a lot going on.
Bye-bye.
Stinky.
Where you going? Come here.
Come here, Callie.
Callie. Bye-bye. Come here. Say hi to Jean. Say hi to Uncle John. Come here. Come on. Where's the phone? Oh, come on.
But this one hasn't just one.
What was it over the back there? What?
Thanksgiving.